that, the Ghana School of Law is demanding government stays away from the school's internally generated funds, as this is taking a toll on the infrastructural development in the school. According to the director of the school, Berima Opong, in 2023 alone, the school paid more than over 12 million Ghana cedis to the government, representing 25% of the school's internally generated funds. He spoke as induction ceremony for the 994 students who passed the law school entrance exams into the 2023-2024 professional career course of the Ghana School of Law. There is more in this report.
Established in 1958, the Ghana School of Law is the only institution responsible for training law graduates in the professional law course program. Speaking at the induction ceremony for the 2023-2024 batch, the director of the school, Berima Opong, demanded the government waive the requirement for the school to give 25% of its internally generated funds to the government. He noted that the removal of such requirement will greatly help in expansion of infrastructure for the various campuses.
The Ghana School of Law is the only institution of education that pays part of its IGF to the government. In fact, last year alone, we paid in excess of 12 million Ghana cedis to the government of Ghana. Until recently, the government was taking in excess of 30% of our IGF. And so, Honorable, if you are surprised that since 1982, when you left the school, these buildings that accommodated you and your friends have virtually seen very little or significant expansion. It's all because the government shares our money with us and hardly makes any contribution for the expansion. And so I'm very certain that within a short time, you'll be able to make a case for us not only to get back all our IGF, but also be on the back of other financial institutions, including state institutions, to provide for us the needed accommodation.
Speaker of Parliament Alban Bagbin, on his part, assured he will ensure funds are made available for infrastructural development in the school.
I want to end up by assuring you that I will definitely be in touch with my good friend, the President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, will ensure that the Ghana School of Law becomes a better place than we have it now.
He also underscored the need for high ethical conduct in the law practice as he bemoaned the falling standards among practitioners and also advised the inductees to see their profession as a service to humanity and not an avenue for making money.
Now, the world is experiencing an ethical crisis, and Ghana is no exception. Some of the issues facing the country are widespread misappropriation of public funds, abuse of power. We have a constitution that we are not following the dictates of the constitution, but the dictates of presidents. We have growing institutional indiscipline. The mentality that winning at all costs is acceptable, and making an exception for oneself without acknowledging any ethical boundaries. Ethical conduct of some lawyers has fallen short of what is expected of.
President of the Ghana Bar Association, Yao Champon-Boafo, charged the inductees to exhibit good character, especially with their social media activities.
Take note of this. Technology aids, but doesn't substitute. Watch what you do on social media, especially in this unforgiving generation of the internet. because it may be the reason why you never become a Chief Justice. Because one moment of a TikTok post in jest may be the day that you appear before the Appointments Committee for elevation to the Supreme Court, that it will be pulled out that you are not serious. Take your time here seriously.
In all, 994 out of the 2,990 who sat for the 2023 entrance exams were inducted into the professional law course, which is expected to last for 2 years. Prince Kwame Kudoga's report for JoyNews.